Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you an eyebrow tutorial. This eyebrow tutorial is for people who suffer from trichotillomania. As you can see, my eyebrows are actually fairly grown out and I have a slight gap just here in the middle of my brow. However, I do have relapses and my eyebrows can be thinner than this. I can also have like little to no hair on my eyebrows at all. I haven't had a relapse for a while, but this is going to be a tutorial of the best products that I personally would use when I do have a relapse or when I do have this kind of gap in my eyebrow, just to make it look as natural as possible. And the main place that I do suffer from trichotillomania is my eyelashes. I have no eyelashes on my top lid. So I start off by priming and combing my brows with this Primark Sculpt and Fix brow gel. My eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is by Maybelline New York and it is the Master Shape eyebrow pencil. My colour is deep brown. I then use that to fill in the gaps in my eyebrow and that's all I do. I just shade in the gaps to make it look as natural as possible. Just remember, I'm going for a natural brow. I'm not going for an evening look or anything like that. This is a natural daytime on the go look. My concealer by MAC, use the Studio Finish concealer and I will use that in NW40 to highlight my brows, and then I will also use the prolongwear concealer. The reason why I use both of these is because they both do have two very different consistencies and I do love both consistencies, so I tend to mix them to get something just a little bit in between this kind of, I don't know what you would describe it as, but a liquid and a kind of dry matte kind of finish. To be honest, I'm not very good at blending, so what I normally do is get a bit of my foundation, which is my skin colour, or the concealer, which is my skin colour. So I've also got the Studio Finish concealer in NW45 as well as NW40, and I put that on top of the NW40 concealer, the highlighting concealer, and that will just blend it in and make it look a little bit more natural and like my skin colour. As perfect as I can get them. This is just my technique. I'm not, nowhere near a makeup artist, but this is just what I would advise for you to use if you were going for a more of a natural daytime look. And this is perfect to my standard, so how I like to do my eyebrows, and this is how I like to do them. Oh, the background is so messy. I don't care. I actually don't care. Do you know what? This is YouTube. It's not fake tube. I might as well show you lot. Look, there's no cases on the pillows. You can see towel. That's cool. Alright?
What lipstick is this?
Oh, it's concealer, babe.
Wisconsin. My cousin's like, what the hell?
Hello. You want concealer on your lip too, baby girl?
Let me see, how do you do it?
Okay, that's all.